How to change color of horizontal line in Google Docs. So in this video tutorial I'm going to show you the best way you can use. I'm going to show you the two way you can use for to insert the colorful horizontal line in Google Docs. So let's start with the video, guys. Before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. Okay, so let me open Google Docs. Okay guys, so here we are. This is my Google Docs file. So the normal way, if you want to insert the horizontal line, we need to select the place where you want to insert. Now go to the insert, and here you can see the horizontal line. When you insert the horizontal line, so you can see the simple horizontal line. There is no option to change the color or thickness and anything. But if you want to change your color of horizontal line, then you need to use the horizontal line with different way. So I'm going to show the two way. The first way, you can go to the format and go to the paragraph style and go to the border and shading. And first we need to write your, okay, I just write one column here, for example, sorry, paragraph here, for example. Okay, so if you want to insert the horizontal line bottom of the paragraph, just keep the cursor here, go to the format, go to the paragraphs, go to the border and shading, and we need to select this second option. Now you can select the border, the line style, the border width, and the color. Okay, this is the color of your your line, and just apply. Then this horizontal line, or you can see the border line has been insert. Okay, okay, so if you want to insert that horizontal line between the paragraphs, so first you need to write your all paragraphs, then select the you know place where you want to insert. Okay, and then again you need to follow the same steps and insert this horizontal line. Okay, so from here you can change the color. As I show you, you can change the color from here. I take the red color. You can also change the line width. You can see I take the double line. Okay, so that is how you can use the horizontal color line in first option. The second option is you can use the drawing option. Okay, and go to the drawing, and here you select that line, first option, and now you have to enter the shift button and hold it. Enter the shift button and hold it and draw the line. Okay, when you hit the shift button and hold it, then it will be drag on straight only. From here, now you can change the color, and here you can change the width. Okay, you can change the style if you want. Now after you done, just save and close. Then you can, this line has been insert. But you can edit this line. In this case you can't edit from here, but in this way you can use this option, wrap text, and you can move this line as per your requirement and make it middle. We can also decrease, increase size from here. Okay, so I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.